Welcome to our demonstration of using the Blue Cross mobile app to find a healthcare professional. Knowing how to find doctors in your network will help you manage your healthcare services and expenses. The Blue Cross mobile app gives you access to many things that help you manage your healthcare, including viewing the money you have spent on your healthcare services, locating a participating doctor or facility, comparing the costs of medical services or medications, using our health and wellness tools, tracking your claims, ordering an ID card or viewing a digital version of it, and much more. Let's get started. First, you need to open your Blue Cross mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the mobile app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Log into your member account. This is the same login information that you use at BCBSM.com. If you don't have an account established, you can create one at BCBSM.com. From here, you can view your benefits, track your claims and view your explanation of benefits, view a mobile ID card, search for a doctor or other healthcare professional, access the health and wellness area, and manage your member account. You'll notice your cost-sharing amounts are populated here to give you a snapshot of your healthcare spending. To search for a provider, let's start by selecting Find a Doctor. The first thing we will do is select a health plan type. Your current plan may be pre-populated. You'll see several types of plans listed, including employer group plans, Medicare plans, individual plans, and others. For our example, we will select employer group plans. Within the employer group plans, there are several options. We start with PPO plans. If you have a standard group plan, like Simply Blue or Community Blue, select the first option, PPO plans. If you have a Blue Cross Personal Choice PPO plan, be sure to select that at the bottom of the list so you can find providers in an organized system of care and better control your out-of-pocket spending. If you scroll, you will see additional employer group plans. The next set of plans are HMO networks, and there are additional plan types if you scroll further. Within the HMO plans, the first, labeled Blue Care Network HMO, is our full HMO network. If you have a plan with PCP focus or a localized network, be sure to select the proper network to find a primary care physician available to you. After selecting a health plan, we need to indicate where we want to search. Your home address is populated for you, but you can change the address if you want to search near your work or if you're traveling. Let's first search by provider name. We start by typing the name of the doctor. You'll notice that names will start populating. You may select one from the suggestions or search for all providers matching your search criteria. You have the option to refine your search in a number of ways. First, you can move the dot if you'd like to change the mile radius from your search location. You may also refine your search by filtering your results. You have many options for filtering, including whether the provider is accepting new patients, if the provider is an eligible primary care physician, if the provider has been recognized with specific quality distinctions, if the provider specializes in a particular field, if the provider is part of a medical care group, by provider type, and by gender. You can also sort your results by distance or alphabetically by name. The providers will be listed with some basic information, including specialty and location. You can scroll through and view the full list. For more detailed information, tap the name of the provider you'd like to view. You'll see the basic information again, but you can scroll for additional details. Those details include location and contact information. Also, information about the patients that are seen, the doctor's National Provider ID or NPI number, languages spoken, gender, and board certifications. Scrolling further gives you access to medical care groups with which the provider is affiliated and their educational background. If you want more details on group affiliations, click the hyperlink and the group affiliations will be listed in a pop-up box. Similarly, selecting the locations for admitting privileges gives you details on the hospitals to which the provider may refer patients and make rounds. At the bottom of the provider information page is listed all locations the provider holds office hours and a map with the locations pinpointed. Now that we've searched by provider name and seen what you can view, I want you to know that you can also search by type of provider. For example, if you know you want to see an ear, nose, and throat specialist, you can type that in the search box. You will have the same opportunity to refine your search results and see a list of providers matching your search criteria. If you click on the provider name, you will be able to view the details we defined earlier. Additionally, if you are a member of a specialized network, like Personal Choice PPO, you have the ability to control your healthcare costs and get access to the best quality of care by utilizing our defined networks. If you are a Blue Cross Personal Choice PPO member, when you are filtering the providers, be sure to select Level 1 OSCs in order to find providers that meet the criteria to provide you with the highest quality of care at the lowest costs. You may also search for a provider within a specific organized system of care. You've seen the results screen before, but now you will notice we indicate if the provider is affiliated with a Level 1 OSC. Finding a provider within your network can help you better manage your healthcare and control your spending. If you have questions about your plan or network, check out the Blue Cross Mobile App, visit bcbsm.com, or contact your Blue Cross agent.